Now to an update on the retired Jacksonville police detective who has been arrested in the robbery and murder of a businessman at his Deerwood home more than 20 years ago. William Baer and his ex-wife are both charged with killing Saad Kawaf, who was stabbed to death. News4 Jack's records show another murder with similarities. 1 year earlier, a different businessman, Sami Safar, was killed by another former police officer, Karl Waldon. Waldon is serving a prison sentence right now. News4 Jack's reporter Janice Harris looked into the background of these two officers and whether they knew each other.
Yes, they knew each other. In fact, Baer testified against Karl Waldon in a federal case that Waldon's now serving prison time for. The 4th of July may be a celebration for many, but for Sami Safar's family, it will mark 22 years since he was murdered by a then JSO officer, Karl Waldon. Waldon was found guilty of killing Sami Safar, a North Side businessman. The murder happened in 1998. Before Waldon's trial, all other defendants reached plea agreements with federal prosecutors, and most of them testified against Waldon. Also testifying was police officer William Baer, who retired right before the trial. Baer was a government witness against Waldon. Now Baer is facing a murder charge, too. Here are the similarities. Both former JSO police officers are accused of killing store owners. Both store owners had thousands of dollars in cash. Waldon murdered Sami Safar in 1998, and Baer is accused of murdering and robbing Saad Kawaf in 1999.
It's in the conviction of the person who's in prison.
Local attorney Randy Reep, not affiliated with the case, says if Baer is convicted, it could force JSO to reevaluate any case Baer ever participated in.
But in this unique case, because it would be under what's called newly discovered evidence, it has the opportunity to open up arrest and convictions that he may have been a part of.
Reep says though Baer is facing a murder charge, that doesn't mean he lied while testifying against Waldon in federal court.
We have co-defendant murder people all the time testifying against one another, so they're to weigh their credibility.
Baer and Waldon's actions have similar scenarios, but a judge or jury will have to decide if Baer is guilty too. Waldon's attorney insisted that he was, quote, a victim of lies from a group of corrupt officers and witnesses. Reporting live from the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office, Janice Harris, Channel 4, the local station.